In this video, we're looking at buyout cost codes in Xperdyte Manufacturing Software. You'll learn what buyouts are, why manufacturers use them, how to create a buyout cost code, and finally how to add it to a bill of materials. Buyouts represent manufacturing services performed by external suppliers. Rather than recording these services separately, Xperdyte lets you include them directly on the bill of materials, so they become part of the planned manufacturing cost and are recovered during production. Many manufacturers outsource part of their production process to specialist suppliers. Services such as powder coating, galvanizing, or packaging still form part of the finished product cost. Recording these services as buyouts ensures outsourced manufacturing costs are included in every works order, giving you more accurate manufacturing costs and reporting. Navigate to Cost Types, expand Buyouts, then select Buyout Cost Codes. This is where all buyout cost codes are created and maintained. Click Add on the top toolbar to create a new record. Enter a short code followed by a meaningful description. Keep the code simple and easy to identify. Enter the unit cost. Next, choose whether the buyout is variable or fixed. Variable buyouts change as production increases. A good example is powder coating charged per unit. Fixed buyouts remain the same regardless of production quantity, such as a once-off retention sample. User-defined fields are optional and can be configured for your own reporting requirements. Additionally, preferred suppliers can be included by syncing them on the Xperdyte server, and then making a selection here. When you are finished, click Save. Once your buyout cost code has been created, open Maintain Bill of Materials and load the required bill of materials. Navigate to the Buyouts tab and click Add. Select the required buyout cost code, enter the required quantity, then save the buyout line and the bill of materials. The buyout cost will now be included whenever a works order is generated for this product. You now know what buyouts are, why manufacturers use them, how to create a buyout cost code, and how to add it to a bill of materials. Correctly configuring buyouts helps ensure outsourced manufacturing costs are consistently recovered and included in your manufacturing costs. If you have any questions, please contact the Xperdyte support team at info@xperdyte.co.za. Thanks for watching.